Okay friends, today we are going to make a video of class 11 physics and here you have to derive equation of beats. Okay, here in this question class 11 physics beats, try to understand about beat. First thing is beat. What are beats? It is the phenomena of alternatively rise and fall in the intensity of sound periodically due to superposition of two waves slightly different frequencies. What thing? It is a phenomena of alternately rise and fall in the intensity of sound. Now you will ask that what is intensity? Here intensity is measured in decibel. You should know this thing. Intensity is measured in decibel of sound periodically due to superposition of two waves slightly different frequency. Now here formation of beats. Here formation of beats, it means if there are such two types of sounds, suppose a scooter, if you will horn the scooter, what will you get? You will hear a sound. And suppose another source of sound is bus, you will observe that sound of bus is different. If driver will horn, then what will you get? A sound of horn is different of bus in comparison to sound of the scooter. Okay, so here same thing. Here if both types of sounds will mix together and there will be formation of a phenomena that is beats. Okay, try to understand what are beats. Two types of sound. Suppose one sound has frequency 50 and another sound frequency is 30, and both, whenever a time will come, both mix, then there will production of beat. Okay, now here formation of beats. For two harmonic waves of slightly different frequencies, suppose one wave has frequency 50 Hz. What things? One wave has frequency 50 Hz. You should know different ideas about sound. Here in case of sound, you know this thing, the sound travels in a medium. It means they will do vibration. It means vibrate, and then you are able to hear any sound. There will be vibration in the medium. That medium will be, it may be possible air, water, anything. Steel, you know, in case of steel, speed of sound is more. So all these things you should know. Here I want to discuss formation of beats. For two harmonic waves of slightly different frequencies, suppose one wave has frequency 50 Hz and other wave has frequency 30 Hz. Okay, now I hope you are knowing something about beat. First method is graphical method. How do you obtain beat? Now here frequency is 50 Hz and in this case frequency is 30 Hz. Now you know this will vibrate like this and will reach a destination. In this case also they will vibrate and reaches a destination. Now main figure. Here what things observing? Here vibration occurs, so sound is traveling in the medium. And now this thing. A position comes when two sounds meet at a place, and there will be formation of beat. Here also in this case there will be formation of beats. You will slightly hear a loud sound. Here you may hear in this here you may hear a loud sound. And this sound is what? This sound here and here. This sound is what? This is beat. Okay, try to understand. What are beats? Suppose there are a bus and a scooter, and both will make horn. Both will do horn. You will get a loud sound. And what is this? This is a beat. Here one's maximum, minimum, A, B, C, D, E, etc. Now A, B, C, D, E. Now this is graphical method through which you can produce beat. Okay, this is graphical method. Through this you can produce beat. Now here how will you get resultant displacement? In case of resultant displacement, by adding displacements of the two waves at each point according to the law of vector adding, we can get the resultant displacement. Okay, how will you get resultant displacement? Simply by vector addition. Okay, now second method, that is analytical method, calculation. Here consider two harmonic waves of equal amplitude but of wavelength lambda 1 and lambda 2 are traveling in a medium with the same speed v. Here try to understand, this is speed, velocity. Okay, this v, I am writing v like this. Okay, this is a speed or velocity. You may say if there is direction, this will be velocity. The wave functions of two waves. Wave functions of two waves, y1 is equal to r sine 2 pi by lambda 1 vt minus x. Here vt minus x. After some time that v will change into new frequency. Try to keep this thing in your memory. y2 is equal to r sine 2 pi by lambda 2 vt minus x for second wave. Now y1, r sine 2 pi, here you have to bring this lambda 1 here. V by lambda 1 into t minus x by lambda 2. We will multiply, but it is in the denominator, so you will put here in the denominator from first. Since v by lambda is equal to nu, what thing? Frequency is equal to velocity by wavelength. That is lambda is wavelength. y1 is equal to r sine 2 pi nu 1 t. Now v by lambda, what things? This will be nu 1 t minus x by lambda 1. Similarly, equation 2 can be written as y2 is equal to r sine 2 pi nu 2t minus x by lambda 2. Okay, I hope you are understanding all these things. Now next slide we want to discuss, and that thing is, if the listener is at x is equal to 0 at rest, then what will happen? y1 x is equal to 0 comma t and time t r sine 2 pi nu 1 into t. y2 x is equal to 0 t r sine 2 pi nu 2 t. According to the principle of superposition, at x is equal to 0 and at x is equal to 0 and at any time t. Y is equal to y1 x is equal to 0 comma t plus y2 x is equal to 0 comma t. Simply y1 plus y2. What things are you seeing? y1 plus y2. R sin 2 pi nu 1 t, putting value y1 and y2. Here you have obtained y1 y2. Putting value r sin 2 pi nu 1 t plus r sin 2 pi nu 1 nu 2 t is equal to what? R sin 2 pi nu 1 t plus sin 2 pi nu 2 t. Here common r. Y is equal to r sin 2 sin 2 pi nu 1 plus nu 2 by t plus cos 2 pi nu 1 minus nu 2 by 2 into t. Here I have used formula sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 from trigonometry. Okay, I hope up to this time you have discussed this formula because it is given in 11th mathematics. Now y is equal to 2r cos 2 pi nu 1 minus nu 2 t into sin 2 pi nu 1 plus nu 2 by 2 into 2, that is third. Okay, the equation 3 represents a harmonic wave of frequency nu 1 plus nu 2 by 2 and of the amplitude a is equal to 2r cos 2 pi nu 1 minus nu 2 into t. Okay, here you are obtaining this such expressions, and this is the expression of beats. Now cases. First, the amplitude, resultant amplitude will be maximum, maxm, maximum. Cos pi nu 1 minus nu 2 into t is equal to plus minus 1, or pi nu 1 minus nu 2 into t is equal to n pi. Here n, cos pi nu 1 minus nu 2 into t is equal to plus minus 1. Then or pi nu 1 minus nu 2 into t is equal to n pi. When you will take pi, so t is equal to pi by nu 1 minus nu 2. What will you get from here? You will get from here pi is equal to pi, t is equal to pi by nu 1 minus nu 2, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. If you will take this value, what will you get? First time 0, but next time 1 by nu 1 minus nu 2, 2 by nu 1 minus nu 2, nu 1 minus nu 2, comma 3 by nu 1 minus nu 2, comma dash dash. So frequency 1 by gamma nu 1 minus nu 2, it will give result nu 1 minus nu 2. Okay, in case of maximum, what will you get? Nu 1 minus nu 2. For minimum, cos a nu 1 minus nu 2 into t is equal to 0, or pi nu 1 minus nu 2 into t is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Okay, now next thing, or t is equal to 2n plus 1, 2 by nu 1 minus nu 2, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2. Then what will you get? T is equal to 1 by 2 nu 1 minus nu 2, 3 by 2 nu 1 minus nu 2, so on 5 by. So frequency is equal to nu 1 minus 2. Always in case of maximum, what will you get? Nu 1 minus nu 2. In case of minimum, it is again nu 1 minus nu 2. This equations formed for maximum and minimum. This equal for maximum and minimum. In both cases, frequency is nu 1 minus nu 2. Okay, here you are observing nu 1 minus nu 2. Now show both beat frequency. So beat frequency, what will be beat frequency? Nu 1 minus nu 2. Okay, so try to understand. It is also a simple derivation, and I hope you will read several times, then you are able to understand all the things. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day, and try to subscribe my video SK Singh Bikram Ganj. Okay, thank you.